India is blessed with a diverse and captivating tapestry of forests. These green expanses are not only vital to ecological balance but also carry cultural, economic, and aesthetic importance. From the evergreen rainforests of the Western Ghats to the pine-clad hills of the Himalayas, India's forests house an incredible array of flora and fauna. Historically, these forests have offered resources, shelter, and inspiration for millennia. Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve is Maharashtra's oldest national park, established in 1955. It became part of Project Tiger in 1995 under the Wildlife Protection Act and was formed by merging Tadoba and Andhari forest ranges. The purpose of establishing Tadoba buffer was for conservation expansion, wildlife corridors, mitigate human-wildlife conflict, promote ecotourism and sustainable development, research and education, resource management and enhanced protection. The entry gates of Tadoba buffer zone are as follows: Agarjari, Mamla, Devuda Adegaon, Junona, Kolra, Zali Peth, Ramdegin Vegaon, Keslaghat, Alizinza, Chora Chinchola, Madnapur, Nimdela, Ramdegi, Pangadi, Sirkada. Tourist reminder: always follow rules and eco-sensitive tourism practices. The film showcases life in Tadoba's buffer zones, unveiling unique wildlife and thrilling experiences to attract nature lovers to explore these untamed areas. The Alizinza Gate was opened for tourists on 15 May 2016 and connects to the Ramdegi zone. The gate is 11 kilometers from Swasra and takes around 25 minutes to reach. This part of the jungle is good for birding, sloth bears and territory of tigers like Chota Matka, Jharni, Bhanuskindi, bubbly females. Madnapur Gate, spotting tigers here is good enough, and we can assure you that you will come across many species as well. One of the amazing buffer zones where Junabai female tigress is popular here. And then, it happened. A crackling voice erupted from our driver's mobile, startling everyone. It was another driver, who had been exploring a different part of the reserve. I've spotted her. Junabai. She is resting in the bushes near the waterhole. Excitement rippled through our group. We exchanged glances filled with exhilaration and anticipation. Our guide, with years of experience, confirmed the news and urged our driver to speed toward the location. The forest, once tranquil, now felt charged with energy. as if every living creature knew that something extraordinary was about to happen. And then, there it was. A hushed gasp escaped our lips as we saw her, a magnificent Bengal tigress, lying regally amidst the lush green bushes. Her tawny coat glistened in the dappled sunlight, her eyes half closed in a languid repose. Tigress called Junabai has many tourist fans. Along with ordinary tourists, celebrities are also her fans. Among them, the master blaster Sachin Tendulkar, who is considered the god of cricket, is also one of them. Last year, he stayed in Tadoba for almost a week. He has a special attraction for a tigress named Junabai. As he did not see Junabai on the first day, he took a safari from Madnapur Gate to see her for 2 days. The next day he returned only after visiting her. Junabai tigress has given birth to 2 cubs around a year back. 11-year-old Junabai has become a mother for the 5th time. So far she has given birth to 17 calves. The first batch produced 3 calves, the second 4, the third 4, the fourth 4, and the recently born 5th 2 calves. A total of 17 such calves have been born till date. Sources inform that the recently born cubs are from a tiger named Dagoba. The tourists marveled at the sight, their hearts filled with awe. We watched in silence, mindful of the privilege of witnessing such a magnificent creature. Every click of the camera seemed to echo through the clearing, but Junabai remained undisturbed. As moments turned into minutes, her vigilance became apparent. She would intermittently lift her head, her eyes locking onto us with a mix of curiosity and caution. She is a wild and powerful predator, always attuned to her surroundings. After what felt like an eternity, Junabai rose with a fluid grace that belied her size. Her powerful muscles rippled beneath her coat as she stood tall. She cast one last glance at the mesmerized onlookers, her eyes communicating a silent message, an acknowledgement of their presence in her realm. And then, like a ghost, she vanished into the emerald depths of the forest, her silent footsteps leaving no trace. Morning safaris offer a unique and captivating experience in the natural world for several reasons, making them highly sought after by wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. Many animals are most active during dawn and dusk. Morning safaris provide an opportunity to observe wildlife when they are more active, increasing the chances of exciting sightings. Predators, including big cats like lions and leopards, often hunt during the early hours of the morning. It was time to visit the Belara zone, which is famous for the famous tiger Exvialo and Veera, who is nurturing toddler cubs at the moment. It needs great luck to spot them, as mothers tend to be extra protective. The landscapes of the Tadoba have the power to captivate the hearts of all who venture into its depths. Deep in the heart of Tadoba, there was a small village called Surya Nagar, surrounded by lush greenery. It was a heaven for nature enthusiasts. The villagers had coexisted with animals. We could not stop ourselves from clicking our happiness. Everywhere we turned, there was something awe-inspiring to capture. Sadly, Belara went dry for us. Next it was Alessanza again in the evening. The animals were going about their daily routines when the news spread there was a tiger nearby. Excitement buzzed in the air like electricity, and the word had quickly reached every corner of the zone. Without a second thought, we rushed to the spot where all the safari vehicles were heading. And there he was, the king of Tadoba, Chota Matka. The great cat lay sprawled out beneath the shade of a giant tree beside a river stream where he was cooling himself down. The king of the jungle was, quite simply, asleep. Cameras and binoculars were poised, and whispered excitement filled the air as we watched the slumbering tiger. Its rhythmic breathing was the only sound that broke the stillness of the forest. Occasionally, it would flick its tail or stretch a paw lazily. The first to disrupt the order of Matka-Surbazran duo was Rudra. He arrived in late 2019 and has been constantly at war with Matkasur, beating Matkasur badly while injuring himself. Matkasur would find recluse in the fringes of his territory, recuperating and returning to engage in further skirmishes with Rudra. It wasn't until the arrival of Tala that things changed forever. Chota Matka, son of Choti Tara and Matkasur, dominates Tadoba's Alessanza, Navega, and Nindhela zones. After a brutal 2021 fight with rival Mowgli that left him disfigured, he rebounded fiercely, reclaiming territory and fathering many cubs. In 2025, he defeated challenger Brahma, solidifying his legacy as a fierce, resilient ruler of the buffer zones. Tadoba's core and buffer zones teem with life: 62 mammals, 291 birds, 34 reptiles, 9 amphibians, and 174 butterfly species. Among its stars, 115 tigers, 151 leopards, and the elusive black leopard.
मेरा नाम सुकेश रंगारी, मैं ताड़ोबा का ड्राइवर हूँ। ताड़ोबा में मैं यहाँ 8 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे टाइगर साइडिंग अच्छी हो रही है।
कौन कौन से टाइगर मिलते हैं अलीगंज जोन में?
जिंदा में छोटा मटका, बानुस्कुटी फीमेल और बबली फीमेल और झरनी फीमेल मिलती है। पर में बोले तो अभी पूरा हम इधर से श्रमदान करके पूरा हम जंगल इसमें लगे हैं ना, पूरा श्रमदान करके गाइड ड्राइवर करके हमने भी जंगल में पूरे रास्ते निकाले हैं और उसने अब आके पूरा काम किया है। उसकी वजह से हमको अच्छा मिला है, जंगल में पूरा रोजगार मिला है, अच्छा रोजगार मिला है।
तो तुमको लगता है कि आगे भी ये बफर में तुमने जो मेहनत किया है इससे इस जंगल का अच्छा होगा, टाइगर्स को हम लोग बचा सकते हैं?
हाँ सर, बचा सकते हैं, अच्छा होगा।
Thanks for joining us on this wild journey. Let's continue protecting our forests, nature's heartbeat. Catch you next time as we uncover more wonders from Tadoba's buffer zones and learn how to make a lasting impact.